flow. Up and down on the stream. But if it get the flow, if it gets the flow, better hold, but don't roll past me. I'ma send it right back, see. Gon' send it up the ocean, gon' send it up the real world, go down the Mississippi, wherever it is gone. Look, I'm going in stupid, even if I gotta be on the bank shoes. Start bucking canvas right through it, yeah, I'll do it. Yeah, KY, don't feel like we bulletproof now. Been holding it down for a long time, and a long time, man. There's so many things in my mind. These spirits, man, they telling me things that you probably wouldn't need or even feel like you wanna hear it. Going loco, crazy, that's what they think, yeah, they think I'm psycho. But maybe that's what it took for me to have to be able and buckle down and be able to hold it down with everything I'm holding my background. Yeah, my roots run deep, so I run streets. Man, I've been doing this since a little kid. You see me everywhere I go. Yes, respect. Gon' roll that damn bow right back up that stream, because you gon' have problems. I won't even get picked up by the crazy ass fucking train, yeah, and I won't even go take a ride with them